Major.
Yeah.
Come here. Since you were such a good boy. What? Gotta eat some Oreos.
Helen, where'd you get these from?
From here. Remember with Cindy? I opened them for you.
Everything I want. Oh! Oh! What's in here?
April Fools!
What's in here?
What does it taste like?
Gum. Oh.
And because you're an even better sport, you can have a real one. I haven't. How about you eat that one?
Ew! What is that?
These are all real. Just finished chewing.
Is this gum?
No.
What is it? What is this?
An Oreo, Major?
No, the white stuff.
Why don't you lick it?
It's gum.
It's not gum, it's toothpaste.
Ew! Ew. Oh, you started to clean my mouth off.
Well, we could always say that. It's more April Fools. Happy April Fools.